up YouTube, another day in Matt's shop. Well, the ram broke on Christmas Eve where the carrier pin fell out and made a bunch of bad noises. So yesterday we worked out here and he's got another one of these trucks. We pulled the rear end out of. I will insert that video right here. Today's project is getting this all the way over there so we get the rear end out. We got a plan. Well, it's working. Back there pushing me with the excavator. Just gotta make sure we don't hit the well down there. Get your foot out of there. Yay. Well, there it is. We're just gonna pull this out and show you how to replace the rear end, so stay tuned. That wasn't very impressive. And after you take your lugs off, put them in a safe place. Northern salt state, heat is a good friend. Get them nice and hot and put the impact back on and give them a couple uggy duggets and it should come right off. Melted the threads out of it.
You know what you do now?
Cut. No pun intended, but that's what we're gonna do. Well, at least I bought new U-bolts. Hopefully they fit. Well, we used the Sawzall and we cut it off and it's still pretty warm. You guys can see the steam. Can you hear it? I told you that's warm.
That's
Don't touch
fucking
that.
hot.
Did you melt it? Oh.
Dude, touch it.
No. Well, got the U-bolts off this side.
Only took an hour.
No. So, truck's up in the air. These U-bolts are gone. Those two are still on. Our plan is get all the U-bolts off. Shocks will still hold it on. We'll lower it back down to the ground. One person will hold the axle up, disconnect the shock, set that drum or brake down. Same thing on that side. And then disconnect the drive shaft. But right now, we're doing shocks. Or breaking them loose anyways. Bad thing is, this is all just done like not a crazy amount of time though.
Ready?
Ready. Shocks.
What?
Not connected.
I'm not doing all.
Once again, more heat. Anything's a hammer.
Right.
mechanisms.
Just make sure it doesn't turn the brake line, or else we need to use more heat. Nope, looks like it's good.
On the bright side, we just did this a couple months ago, replacing this brake line. So we already broke all the corrosion then. This truck hasn't been drove in over 2 months.
Okay. Yeah, we're gonna heat that one up. It's pulling on the right next to the gas tank is always a plus.
Safety second. Right, Spencer?
Wiggle it back and forth. There you go. Sweet.
Well, that wrench is warm.
So now you gotta pull off the breather. There's a bolt under it. We gotta undo.
Oh yeah, that's how that's held. I remember.
What the fuck you gonna do with that?
Show you that it needs to be oiled. Then try to grab onto that clamp to turn it.
You're not even close. You need to get a socket on it.
I turned it. So fuck you, Matt.
No, you
I
didn't.
did.
Did you?
It gone. So disconnecting the drive shaft right now, I'm guessing. You guys can't see back here because we're on the wrong side. Ow! There's a...
Just 4 bolts and it's out. I gotta tab it. You got it? Ready?
No. Got it. Zip tie?
It's a hang. It's not gonna go any further than that.
Oh, she rusty. Time for new truck, guys.
The white one's for sale. It's aluminum. It won't rust.
Just pieces of it.
Why isn't that the pinion?
It's no spider gears.
I know.
It was making a little bit of noise on the way here. I'm like, I don't know if that was a smart idea. Where can I put this?
We're almost there.
This is my new favorite mount, besides the suction cup
It
mount.
is cool. I like how it clamps.
So if you don't use your parking brakes for a really long time, it's not advised to use them. So we said, fuck it, and we just cut the line.
Here, let me see a screwdriver. Hold on, hold on.
It's like a selfie stick.
Alright. Sensors off.
Brake line's off, sensors off,
Everything's off.
shocks are loose, drive shaft's off. So we will set this back on the ground, put some weight on the axle.
We'll try saws on it.
Saws on what?
The U-bolts.
Oh yeah, still got U-bolts we gotta take off.
These things suck. These U-bolts are junk. They cut off so easy. Dude, I almost cut through both of them at once. Alright, so this is probably gonna... Would this fall on me? No, because the shock's gonna hold it up.
Yeah, but it might
No, there's no push on it. you wouldn't be able to do that. That's so cool. Alright, go back up, see what happens.
Free? Look who decided to join the party.
That's pretty good on my side. We just gotta lower it to where we can get the shock mounts on it.
We did it! Just drop it all the way to the floor.
Turn the axle up. Yours is probably close, isn't it? I think we got. Tap it in.
We'll go down like half inch.
Push the lever on the.
This one?
Click it once.
Oh my god!
One more. That should be good.
Steve about to get that check.
Steve's about to get paid.
Ooh, no more rusty trucks. Next episode, we buy a Viper.
You
took them out.
I think I left them on the ground.
What's this bolt go to?
Here's one.
Is that important?
I got it. Oh, never mind. That's evil. Here it is.
The other way.
Shocking.
Just think, 15 years ago, I had my other truck in here. We were slamming it.
What, the S10?
Yeah. You know, back when it was a dirt floor and couldn't get out of here in the wintertime.
Why, because it's all mud.
Yeah, this used to be a worse hill.
We're gonna need that hammer.
Hammer?
Hammer?
Hamist.
I ripped the bag in half. It's a black baggie.
Just paint the motherfuckers.
They're gonna change color in a couple weeks anyways. They turn a lovely brown color.
So what's the torque spec for this?
Okay. Now we have the same thing the back side.
The only torque spec we need is yes.
17 Ugga and a snap.
200 foot-pounds.
Oh my gosh.
all the foot pounds.
Oh, you want to give it all? Hey, look, it fits up there. The big one wouldn't. I love this new impact. Okay, now this. It goes the other way, Steve.
Shit.
The whole song. Pull the breather into some, loosen it up a little bit.
The breather was a bitch to put back on.
Coming down to the finish line now, putting brake fluid in.
It was empty.
Was it?
He's got air brakes.
Just took a whole fucking bottle.
I owe you.
I got more. Alright, let's do some.
Bucket.
You have that wrench?
It's on the bleeder still.
Okay. Are they tight or loose right now?
They're both loose.
Okay. Pump. Alright, we'll go to the next one. Go there. Go with that handful of brake fluid.
Put that back on the master cylinder.
I broke the glove. Pump. Pump.
Holding.
Pump.
Holding.
Pump. How does it feel?
Hard.
Yeah. Pump.
Perfect.
Don't worry, I got it on the camera.
I make a TikTok real quick.
Just pull this through your camera roll. Ah, wet mud. Wet mud. Wet mud. Oh, there goes the shaft.
Told you there's no spider gears. Maybe that's what that tells you. That's the only spider gear bouncing around.
Yeah. 12 grand, good running truck. I know what I have. Comes with new stove.
Slightly used.
Lift, Steve, lift. You can do it. Think strong thoughts. Yeah, come on, you can do it.
First try.
Yay. I'm the emotional support.
Thank you for not showing up in a cheerleader dress.
No, that's for the OnlyFans content.
What's there? Sweet.
This is a nifty little gadget.
We know there's fluid in it.
It's like a good Friday night.
Oh shit!
Another successful repair, at least so far.
There you have it, YouTube. Another project finished. Stay tuned for the next one. Hopefully you made it this far. See ya.